Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make collagen gummies at home. First, gather your essential ingredients: unflavored gelatin, collagen peptides, and a liquid base. You'll also need your favorite fruit juice or a brewed herbal tea for flavor. Make sure your silicone gummy molds are clean and ready for the mixture. This simple preparation ensures a smooth process from start to finish. Next, let's get mixing. Start by blooming 2 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin in 1/4 cup of cold liquid for about 5 minutes. While that's blooming, gently warm 1 cup of your chosen liquid on the stovetop over low heat. Avoid boiling. Once warm, whisk in the bloomed gelatin and 2 scoops of collagen peptides until everything is completely dissolved and smooth. This creates the perfect base for your gummies. Now for the fun part, pouring and setting. Carefully pour the warm gummy mixture into your prepared silicone molds. Try not to overfill them. Once all the molds are filled, transfer them to the refrigerator. Let them chill for at least 2 hours or until they are completely firm. After they've set, gently pop your homemade collagen gummies out of their molds. They're almost ready to enjoy. Finally, let's talk about storage and enjoyment. Store your delicious homemade collagen gummies in an airtight container in the refrigerator. They will typically stay fresh and tasty for up to 7 days. These are a fantastic way to incorporate collagen into your daily routine. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for reading anywhere, as well as other great deals you won't want to miss. Enjoy your healthy, homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.